I think we're good.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Drop it on the ground! And the gun, and the rifle.
I don't have a grenade. I was gonna pull a grenade.
Safety's off, barrel cover's off. 3, 2, 1, go!
Had to start me mop in the back of my beam. It's crazy, you call it a main bitch. Every link up, it's always the same shit. Now you're not gonna know that the pain hits. I said you won't be a op, had that bitch give me top, told the guys, I'm like, yo, this is gay shit. Why go down, ain't rocking no stainless.
They know where you are.
Oops. I didn't mean to press that button. I can't look down enough.
There is nobody here.
They're coming.
I'm moving.
I know I'm still young, I know I'm still dumb, but I'm trying to change it. My youngest, they be on that gang shit. I send them, they pull up and
Rod. Uh-oh. It's not supposed to do that.
No, don't worry about it.
Always struggling with that pouch.
There's one guy this way.
Okay.
Yeah, you just keep an eye on him.
Can't hit him. Shit.
Moving around your right. Yep. I gotta fix my pre-cocking again. Yep, it's not double feeding, or double shooting, rather. And you're full auto. Got one. Failed to consider that I am ginormous. And then I got shot in the dick. My pee-pee! Oh, we're pushed up hard on that left side. You good?
Yeah, that hit you.
Huh?
I hit you.
I think you did.
Good shit.
I got trade on that one. I didn't feel it. I'm sure you got me center mass though.
Good shit. Definitely hit me though.
Yeah. We're running.
in front of us. These little bushes right
Raj? Ref, are those logs in play?
No, they're not.
Behind them, okay. There's one on the pallet straight ahead. Got him. He's right on the other side.
Oh, you out of ammo?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Damn.
That was a 2.5 bag.
Why is everyone walking up?
Out. No luck.
Everyone's out of ammo?
No. All of last.
Oh. Wild. Okay.
They all quit.
Did they quit or did they all die?
Oh, that is true. I was talking about that.
Well, he's still playing and I'm still playing, but I feel bad shooting at him because he probably thinks I'm out.
Oh, I'm moving.
No, you're good, you're good. This is, I'm gonna move back so I don't feel like a dickhead.
I'm almost out of rounds.
Ref! Oh, is that friendly? That is not friendly.
Why?
I wasn't even aiming. I'm actually amazed I hit that.
Why do you enjoy hurting me?
What's Airsoft? You paid to do this.
No, I didn't. Thanks, Eli.
He's on the far right, he's in the bush now. The bush is on the right. Got one. Go for it, just know that their spawn is on the right. Watch straight ahead, Kieran. Moved. Got him.